Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to sit here with my cup of coffee and talk to you just for a few minutes on just because your manifestation has not shown up yet, it does not mean that it's not on the way. Remember that we're dealing with divine timing. We have no control over that. The universe, God, Jesus, the Holy Spirit, angels are all working behind the scenes to get you what you want. Your main job is to stay happy, whatever that means to you. Work on staying happy. When you're faced with challenges, don't say it's too hard for me. Don't say that you can't do it. Just say something like, I see the challenge here and we will overcome it. Just keep choosing a better thought. Keep choosing to do something that makes you happy in that moment. And little by little, you will see the synchronicities, you will see the blessings start coming into your life. I am proof of this. I have seen so much in the last couple of weeks that my manifestations are coming true. I had family members I was praying for and asking for Archangel Michael's help. And today I got confirmation that he, the person was helped. I have so many things I'm manifesting, and little by little, little things will show up in your life. Your thumb will hit the perfect dentist that you want. Your you're seeing numbers 888, 555, 111. You're in that flow. That's where you want to be. So you want to take time to stay happy. If you're working with coworkers that are really getting on your nerves, mentally send them love. Even if you have to go take a bathroom break, just take a few deep breaths in and out and you will start to feel better. Then in your mind, send them love. Do whatever it takes to keep you in a place of gratitude and happiness. Don't give up on your dreams. I have seen so many people manifest their houses, their cars, their lands, and I will be doing a video on some testimonials. I get comments on my videos all the time of how I help people, and it's a beautiful feeling. It's wonderful because that's my life's purpose is out there changing the mindsets of people all over the world to help them improve their lives and manifest what they desire in their lives. There is more than enough for everybody. There is more than enough. Even if I was a billionaire, there would still be enough for you to become a billionaire or a millionaire or whatever your goals are. If I produced my dream house today, there's still enough materials, land, and everything on this earth for you to have exactly what you want, also. Excuse me. But I am on purpose wanting to get you guys in a place of happiness. I want you to lift up your vibrations to the universe. I want you to spend time outdoors if you can. And I want you to be in a place of gratitude for everything that you have right now. That will accelerate your manifestations into coming into your life. If we're not grateful for what we have right now, why should the universe or anyone else, God, Jesus, give us anything else to crab and complain about? We've got to find a place of being grateful right here, right now, for every dollar we've ever had, for every penny we find on the ground, for anything that comes our way. Don't be begrudging a dollar. Somebody gives you a dollar, you just Woohoo! Yes. See, money's flowing into my life all the time. Get in that gratitude attitude, and believe me, it makes a difference. I am so psyched out today. I've had so many confirmations and more coming in that what I'm wanting to manifest is manifesting in my life. It's crazy, it's unreal, it's beautiful, it's miracles happening every day. Just be aware of what's around you and start getting grateful. I love each and every one of you. God bless you. Love and light to you all. Bye for now.